Would you believe me if I told you that every single one of these jaw-dropping, ultra-realistic images was created in just seconds with Imagine.Art AI? No professional camera, no Photoshop skills, just pure AI magic. Stick with me till the very end, and don't skip a second, because I'll show you exactly how you can generate unlimited, high-quality images for free, and even reveal a secret hack to get extra credits without spending a dime. But first, before we dive deep, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Genius, so you never miss out on powerful tools, tutorials, and AI secrets that can change your creative game forever. Now, Imagine.Art isn't just an image generator. It's actually an all-in-one automation tool for YouTubers and creators. It lets you create AI music, text-to-speech voiceovers, and yes, even video generation. But keep in mind, video generation is only available in the Pro version. While the free plan allows you to generate high-quality images, professional studio-level AI music, and human-like text-to-speech. However, they can't be commercialized or even monetized. If you want to make money using these features, you will have to upgrade to a paid plan, where you unlock even more features. Imagine.Art provides 4 paid plans: the Basic, Standard, Professional, and Scale plan. The basic plan starts at just $15 per month. That includes up to 300 images and 36 videos monthly, along with 4 simultaneous image generations and 1 video generation at a time. The 3 other plans offer even higher perks if you're really serious about scaling your creative work. One of the biggest perks is you get to unlock the almighty video generation feature, which includes more than 12 powerful models. Use the first link in the description for 30% off your first subscription. All right, let's quickly set up your account so you can claim your free 50 daily credits. Plus, I will show you how to get even up to 10,000 free credits. Note that you will only get these free credits when you sign up using the link provided in the description. To get started, click the first link in the description of this video. Click Sign In, enter your email address, and click on Continue. On the next page, scroll down, double-check your email address, and click on Continue. Next, create a username, nickname, and password. Verify you're not a robot and click Continue. A code will be sent to your email. Copy it and paste it into the verification box and click Verify. Congratulations, your account has been successfully created. Now, to make sure you get your extra 10,000 free credits, click on either Rewards or the drop-down arrow at the top right of your screen. Then, select Earn Free Credits. As you can see, you will get up to 10,000 free credits each time your friends sign up for a free account using your link and generate their first content, whether it's an image or a voiceover or an AI music. Here is how it works. You copy and share your unique link with your friends. They sign up for an account and verify their email. Once they make their first generation, you get 500 free credits, and they also get 500 free credits. If one friend gives you 500 free credits, then to get 10,000 credits, you will need 20 active friends. Remember, they do not need to make any purchase. Only make sure that they sign up using your link, get their email verified, and generate their first content. But let me remind you, the free version can only be used for experimentation, and you can't monetize the contents you generate in the future. So, if you intend to make money with your content, consider subscribing to one of the paid plans. The basic plan offers more than enough to get started. Now let's explore the image generation feature. To access this feature, click on Image Studio, and then click on Text to Image. I will try to walk you through each feature this tool offers one by one. The first feature, called General Settings, contains the models, aspect ratios, and prompt enhancer features. Let me expand it and give you a breakdown of what each of them does. The Models feature provides you with a variety of high-quality image models. You can choose from multiple models optimized for realism, anime, fantasy, or cinematic visuals, which are ideal to bring to life almost all your imaginations. Some of them include Flux Dev, Nano Banana, Imagen-4, Ideogram Character, Dreamina, ChatGPT Images, Quen Image, and more. Next to the models feature, we have aspect ratio. Imagine.Art provides up to 11 various aspect ratios, perfect for widescreen, vertical TikToks, or Instagram posts and more. Choose from a variety of supported video dimensions suitable for your favorite social media platforms. Then, we have the micro-intelligent prompt enhancer feature, which helps polish your prompts for maximum detail. Whether you're a beginner at prompt writing or expert, this feature enhances your prompts while keeping it simple for maximum results. Turn it on each time you feel like your prompts aren't great enough to yield quality results, but note that it uses extra credits. Next, we have the styles and effects features. These features give you extra controls like lighting, camera type, lens focus, and cinematic filters, which are essential for creating realistic visuals. They are super useful when animating generated images. Next, we have the image guidance feature. With this feature, you can upload a reference image from your computer and Imagine.Art generate a perfect copy or an image similar to it. This is useful for those who want to generate consistent characters or styles. And lastly, we have the advanced settings feature. It allows you to choose how many images you want per generation. This is useful for comparison and also reduces credit usage when set to a minimum number, like 1 image per generation. Now here's how I generated the images you saw in the intro of this video. In order to generate high-quality images, you need super good prompts. And don't worry, you don't need any experience or be an expert to do this. There are a couple of ways to get good prompts. The first way is to ask ChatGPT to help you out with prompt ideas. And the second is to use these exact prompts I'm using now. You can get my prompts by clicking the second link in the video description. Now, let's generate our first image. First, set the models to ultra realism, aspect ratio to 16:9. Keep prompt enhancer turned off. Set styles to cinematic, lighting to dramatic, and camera to wide shot. Set the number of images to 2. Copy the first prompt, paste it into the box, and hit generate. Wait a few seconds. This time, I will use a different prompt. Change the camera angle to a wide shot. Adjust the styles to cinematic, lighting to dramatic, and pick a different model. In this case, we'll use the Imagen-4 model. Copy the second prompt, paste it into the box, and hit generate. Wait a few seconds. You can see the result yourself. Feel to shuffle through different models. And that's just scratching the surface of what Imagine.Art can do. From hyper-realistic photos to consistent characters, cinematic worlds, and beyond. Your creativity is the only limit. Now I want to hear from you. Drop your prompts and results in the comments below. What kind of images did you create? And if you'd like me to make a tutorial on video generation or advanced AI music features, let me know. Don't forget that you'll get 30% off your first Pro subscription. This offer is for a limited time only. I partnered with Imagine.Art to get you this deal. With a Pro plan, you get up to 300 images and 36 videos monthly and more. And you get commercial rights to your contents, including monetization and others. And of course, hit like and subscribe so you never miss another AI tutorial from me. I hope to see you on the other side.